So in today's class of PDE, that is find the general solution of partial differential equation xp plus yq is equal to z. This I am going to solve in this today's lecture. Okay, xp plus yq is equal to z. Okay, let me start. So here what I have to do is, I hope you all can see this clearly. Okay, take this as equation 1. Okay, first. So what you'll have to do is find general solution of this equation xp plus yq is equal to z. So first step 1 is what you have to compare with standard form. You have to compare this equation with the standard form, that is pp plus qq is equal to r. Okay. Now in place of p, what is there? In place of p there is x, right? In place of p there is x. Now in place of q there is what? Y, right? So y. And in place of z there is what? In place of r. So can you all see this r? In place of this r, what is there? Z is there. Okay, so like this. So what you'll have to do over here is, then p is x, q is y, z, r is z. Okay, so this is your step 1. Okay, now step 2 is what? Step 2 is linear auxiliary equation of equation 1 is, so what is now linear auxiliary equation of this equation 1? Okay, so is what? Dx upon p is equal to dy upon q is equal to dz upon r. Okay, so dx upon p is there. So dx upon what you are going to write? What is p? X. Plug the value over here is equal to dy upon q. What is the value of q? Y. Plug the value over here is equal to dz upon r is there. What is the value of r? Z. So plug z over here. Okay, so dz upon z. Now step 3 is what? Take any two of this. Okay, so I have taken this 2. Dx upon x is equal to dy upon y. Okay, so and then what you have to do is, you have to take this 2. Okay, that is dx upon x is equal to dy upon y, and then what you'll have to do is, you'll have to integrate this now. Okay, so step 3 is integrating the first 2 equation. Okay, first I have taken first 2, right? So now what is the integration of dx upon x is nothing but ln of x is equal to, what is the integration of dy upon y? Ln of y plus the constant ln of c1. So ln of x so is equal to ln of y plus ln of c. What is the formula? Ln of y into c1. So ln will go. So what you are going to get is x is equal to y into c1. So c1. So what you'll have to do is, over here x upon y is equal to c1. So what I have done, y is equal to x upon c1. Okay, and even you can write this as this. Okay, this is equal to what? X upon y is equal to c1. Okay, so the value of c1 is what? The value of c1 is what? X upon y. Okay, next I will be taking these 2 equations. Okay, and then I will be integrating this. Dy upon y is equal to dz upon z. Okay, now I have taken this 2 equation. Integrate this. Integration of dy by y is ln of y is equal to integration of this is ln of z plus ln of c2. Okay, so ln of y is equal to ln of z into c2. So y is equal to what? Z into c2. So c2 is equal to y upon z. Finally, you all have to, step 4 is f of x upon y. This is your value of c1 and c2 is equal to 0. Okay, basically this is like f of c1 comma c2 is equal to 0. So you have written the value of c1 and c2. I hope you all have understood, and thanks for watching.